Yo, what's up guys? Today we are making some guacamole. Here are the ingredients: cilantro, avocado, lemons, tomatoes, serrano pepper, and some garlic. First, what you guys want to do is cut your avocado. Now there is a seed in the middle, so you don't want to go too far, you just want to go like this. And then after you get your seed out, put it over here. And once you got that, what you want to do now is cut with evenly slices like this. Okay. Then what you want to do is get like a spoon, I guess. Get like a spoon or a fork. This will work. Get like a spoon, guys, and then just take all of your avocado out and then just plate. I'm just gonna take the lid off. Yep, I'm just gonna do that. And then dump your avocado in like this. I just want to dump all your avocado. Like that. Okay, so now we're gonna cut the other avocado after we do this. So here. Now you guys want to make some evenly slices. Yeah. Okay. Now you just want to grab all of it. It can come out like this, and it should come out pretty. Well, I got the seed out that quick. I mean, the seed comes out pretty quick, I guess, when you do it like that. Okay, so let's just cut it like this. Like, as long as you guys don't use what fell on the floor, you should be okay. Like that. Now you guys don't if you guys don't have to put as much avocado. I just like avocado, so I'm gonna put more than needed. Okay. Now you just want to grab out all of your avocado and just, there we go. Oops. This avocado stuff is very liquidy, so it's kind of slippery. So you basically just want to grab all of this and just like that. Dump that in. Look at that. So now, after you get your avocado, I'm just going to quickly rinse my hands. Okay. Now we're just going to place 2 of our garlics. There. And now what I'm going to do is place all the cilantro in, like this. Perfect. And then what I'm going to do is cut off the stem of the pepper. Okay guys, so now that I clean my pepper, I'm going to put half of it in after I move this last seed. Boom. So now what you guys want to do is cut your lemon. This goes. Okay, let's just move that aside. Then what you want to do, you can use it by hand, but I'm using this because it's easier. I'm just going to get the lemon, and then I'm just going to bring it over here. I'm just going to squeeze it here. Ow. It's kind of hard with the broken finger, but I got this. Okay. So now that I did one, I'm just going to put this aside. Okay. I'm done with the lemon. So now we're going to blend it. Okay. And as we're doing that, we're just going to put like a little bit of salt like this. That's good. And then we're going to continue blending like this. that we've done that, guys, we're going to do is take off the lid. And then we're going to cut up our tomato. Okay. Now we just cut it in half, guys. Like that. Then we're going to do the same thing with our other tomato. Like that. Now we're going to place them in like this. Like this, guys. Okay. Now we're just going to put back on the lid. Like this. So now, guys, we're just going to get our spatula and just kind of like move it around and stuff. Like this. We're just going to put them down here. Once we've done that, I'm going to chop that up. Okay, now that's good. Okay, so now it should be ready, guys. Perfect. I'm going to just take that off, unplug it like that. Then what we're going to do is just put it right here, guys. We're just going to get this, and then we're just going to scrape it around this. And then as we do this, guys, we're just going to slowly put our dip here like this. Okay, so now that we have that like that, we're just going to add the rest of the dip in like this, guys. Okay, perfect. Now we're going to put this in the sink like that, and then try it with some chips. Okay, guys, it's really good. Totally recommend it. Please like and subscribe if you guys want to see more content. See you guys later. Bye.